Dangus. Hello.
Happy Saturday.
We are on road. Shh.
Don't tell them.
We are on the southwest side of Mt St Helens. Is that better?
Yeah.
In the Gifford Pinchot National Forest. And we're
camping
for the first time in 2022, believe it or not. Yeah.
So we are up here just gonna hang out, relax for the day, and we're gonna do a little gourmet camp cooking session. So we're going to show you how you can cook amazing meals still while you're out in the forest.
Yes. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, and we're gonna pick up other people's trash because they're trash pandas.
All right, let's get this weekend started.
Let's do this. Is that a radiator? Seriously?
Yeah. Okay, that's where they tried to fix it.
Why would somebody just leave this here? Don't people know how to throw things in the garbage? Take it with you. Time to go grab a garbage bag and our trash picker uppers and clean up some garbage.
How much garbage you get?
This corner of a bag so far. So you get some exercise and pick up garbage at the same time.
Got it. Got it.
Ew, Keystone.
Yo.
Oh.
You know what we found?
Fucking
We
freaking
found him.
dingus.
Dangus.
That's so funny.
Oh, he's on this one too.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Same one?
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Woo! Ah! This tree split way up there. Woo! You're welcome, Gifford Pinchot National Forest. There you go. Well done.
Yeah.
Why don't you give us a tour of our amazing campsite?
Okay. So this campsite is kind of a double, maybe even triple campsite, but we like to go all the way to the top. So good spot for a tent here, good spot for a tent here. So we got all the way up here. We've got our tent set up. We have our awesome little cooking area set up with our pop-up tent over the top. Got our nice fire pit with our camp chairs, beer.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
What do we got going on here?
Well, I mean, who says camp food has to be boring? We're gonna make some gourmet stuffed burgers, some foil packet potatoes, some sauteed mushrooms. We're just gonna go big out here while we're out in the middle of nowhere. So let's do this. All right, so for our foil packet potatoes, pretty easy. Just chop up, we're using red and yellow baby potatoes. So chop those all up into small pieces because it does take a little bit to cook on the propane grill. So I love to cook with a lot of spices. So today we're going to be using our Flavor God Garlic Lovers seasoning, some olive oil, and just a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt and some pepper. So we'll go ahead and start mixing up our ingredients here. All right, now we're gonna create our foil packet. So all you do, kind of put your potatoes out evenly. Make sure that there's room on all three sides. Fold your foil over, just kind of roll it up, and voila, foil packet potatoes. Now I'm going to make the stuffing for our burgers, and I'm kind of notorious for just, I don't know, making up things and throwing them together and them tasting really good. I mean, ask Brian. He eats it. So we are using a whipped cream cheese, and we made bacon bits this morning out of center cooked thick cut bacon and some Colby cheese, and then we're gonna use some Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning and throw that in there for the middle of our burgers. We got some hamburger meat here. Didn't want to dirty a bowl, so I figured using a baggie would work perfect. So we got some Lowry seasoning salt, some pepper. We're gonna throw some garlic lovers in there because you can never have enough garlic. Let's make some hamburger patties. We're gonna make them kind of thin, so we're not, don't take too long to cook. We're gonna put our filling for the middle. Gonna stuff this bad boy. That cream cheese, ranch, bacony goodness. Oh yeah, cover that up. Alright, next we're going to check on our potatoes, and that's going to tell us when we can start our burgers. right, gonna make some sauteed mushrooms. We got some Kerrygold garlic and herb butter that we got from the store. So once these potatoes are almost done, just throw this pan on there with the mushrooms and let it do its work. Got some toasted brioche, sesame seed buns. Got our lettuce here.
The pickles.
All right, we got this awesome pesto garlic sauce that we're gonna throw on top of our potatoes here. This is a little additional flavor. Oh, that looks so good.
Time to eat.
Dinner is served. Gourmet cooking while you're camping. Ready for that first bite?
Let's do this. Mmm.
Mmm. Potatoes are so good and so crunchy. And that added garlic sauce that we added to the top, just like, chef's kiss.
Oh.
Oh, after dinner, it's time for a good tasty beverage. It's cocktail time.
This is worried time.
It's time for coffee and breakfast. Making a little hash brown, bacon bits left over from last night, egg hash for breakfast. And ever important.
How's it going?
We're cooking with fire.
Yeah.
Or propane, I mean. All right, we've got our bacon, cheese, hash browns are cooked. Now it's time to add the eggs and make it perfect. This is one of the best coffee makers for out camping, especially you don't need a portable power bank or anything like that. You just have a little propane bottle. Makes like 10 cups of coffee. It's quick, it's amazing. And breakfast is served. Ignore the noise.
Taste test?
Taste test time.
Do it.
Mmm. Perfectly crunchy. So good. I don't even make breakfast at home this good.
Yep.
So freaking good. I outdid myself. Well, first camping trip in the books.
That is it.
It was a little cold last night. A little cold, but we didn't get rained on too much. So
Nice.
that was really nice. And we got to pick up a lot of garbage. And actually got to see some stars last
A
night.
little bit.
So it was beautiful.
Yeah.
So
Thanks for joining us on our gourmet meals.
and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for joining us on our PNW Adventures.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye. Come on. Bob. Start him up.
A big burger. Very big burger right going over there. Holy moly. Mt St Helen's gonna want a piece by that burger. Huh? What?
You gotta do like Catherine and go.
I kind of did.
All right. Take one.
Take two.
We are.
Ignore the noise.
Wow.
That was not me.
Okay.